Here we will see the very important certifications for materials to be used in pharmaceutical industry, including TSE BSE free certification, USP Class VI certification, ISO 10993 REACH certification, and GMO free certification. First certification is TSE BSE free certification. Bovine Spongiform Encephalopathy (BSE) is a disease of cattle. BSE was first diagnosed in the UK in 1986. Pharmaceutical products having raw materials derived from the animal source have a risk of contamination with transmissible spongiform encephalopathy, full form of TSE. This disease can transmit in human through pharmaceutical dosage forms from the cattle infected with the bovine spongiform encephalopathy, a full form of BSE. Next certification is USP Class VI certification. USP Class VI testing is conducted by producing an extract of the product with different extraction fluids such as polyethylene glycol and vegetable oil. This extract is then injected into the specimens like rabbits and mice in vivo to observe the biological response to the extract by the specimens. Next certification is Animal Derived Component Free certification. This certification ensures that the finished product does not contain or use in the manufacturing process any primary raw materials that are derived directly from the animal, including human tissue or body fluids. Next certification is REACH, that is REACH certification. REACH is a European regulation and is an acronym for the registration, evaluation, authorization and restriction of chemicals. The overall aims of REACH are to provide high level of protection of human health and environment from the use of chemicals. REACH certification and compliance is mandatory if you are exporting any chemical to the EU in excess of 1 ton per year. Failure to meet the requirement could result in your company getting banned from the EU, that is European Union. Next certification is RoHS certification. RoHS is directive in the European Union that stands for the restriction of hazardous substances. The substances banned under RoHS are lead, mercury, cadmium, hexavalent chromium, polybrominated diphenyls, and 4 different phthalates. Next certification is GMO free certification. GMO free certificate is delivered after control and confirms the absence of genetically modified organisms, that is GMO, in the manufacture of the product. The next certification is ISO 10993 certification. The ISO 10993 certification is given after evaluating the biocompatibility of medical devices to manage biological risk. Watch left video to know the different types of materials used in pharmaceutical industry and to know why only 70% IP is used in pharmaceutical industry. Watch right video.